Why didn't you call me last night?
I was really busy.
You said that yesterday too.
I know, but yesterday was different.
Different how?
I had to finish an urgent report.
You could still send me a message.
I didn't even have time to check my phone.
I waited for you 4 hours. I thought something happened to you.
I'm really sorry.
I called you many times.
I didn't see the calls.
That's the problem.
What do you mean?
I don't feel important to you.
That's not fair.
Why not?
I'm working hard for our future.
I didn't ask you to ignore me.
I'm not ignoring you.
It feels like you are.
You don't understand my situation.
Then explain it to me.
My boss is putting a lot of pressure on me.
I understand work is important. But I should matter too.
You do matter.
Then show it. Not just say it.
I'm trying my best.
Maybe your best is not enough.
That hurts.
And what about me? I feel alone in this relationship.
You are not alone.
Then why do I feel this way?
I didn't realize it was this serious.
I don't need you all the time. I just need you sometimes.
I understand now.
Do you really understand?
Yes, I should communicate better.
Yes, that's all I want.
I'm really sorry for last night. I didn't mean to make you worry.
I know.
I will text you next time.
Even a short message is enough.
I promise I'll do that.
I just care about you.
I care about you too.
Don't disappear like that again.
I won't.
Okay, I believe you.